Hi, I'm Teddy with Mudflap. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to hire better drivers without the headache. And so you don't have to worry about taking notes, we've created a free driver hiring toolkit that includes everything we covered here and more. You can download it at the link below. So let's get started. Before you post the job, it helps to get specific about the kind of driver you actually need. Will your drivers run OTR, regional or local routes? Do you need a company driver or a leased on owner operator? What's your pay structure? Cents per mile, percentage of load, hourly? What are your top hiring priorities? Safety record, experience, professionalism? Answering these questions up front will make the rest of your process a lot smoother. Next, it's time to write the job description. And if writing the job post feels like a chore, we've got you. Our toolkit includes an AI prompt you can use to write a job post in just seconds. And if you've never used AI before, don't worry. AI platforms are simple tools that let you type in what you need, like a job description, and they instantly create a draft for you. It's free to use, and you don't need any technical skills to get started. Plus, our bonus AI guide included in the kit will walk you through each step. Once your job post is written, don't just throw it on one site and hope for the best. We recommend posting to Indeed, LinkedIn, your company website, and CDL-specific job boards. Sharing in trucking Facebook groups and at local CDL schools. And always ask your current drivers for referrals. You can even consider offering referral bonuses to your drivers as an incentive. After posting the job description, we recommend preparing a quick call script with simple screening questions. A pre-screening call with candidates before an interview can save you a lot of time if they're not a fit. At a minimum, make sure you're checking for a valid CDL license, industry-specific training certifications, employment history, 10 years standard, driving record from the last 3 years, drug and alcohol screening compliance, and background checks if needed. When it's time to interview, keep it simple but structured. Ask questions like, tell me about a tough delivery and how you handled it. What does a safe driver look like to you? How do you handle trip planning or last-minute changes? But here's the game changer. Score every candidate the same way. Our toolkit includes a customizable candidate scorecard template that weights things like experience, safety record, and professionalism. It takes the guesswork out of hiring and helps you evaluate drivers consistently so you don't have to rely on gut feeling alone. Once you've decided to hire a driver, make the offer, send over paperwork, add them to your insurance, and line up their first dispatch. And don't forget, onboarding matters. A smooth first week tells your new hire they're in the right place and sets them up for success. Hiring doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid costly mistakes and build a stronger, more reliable team. Grab our free driver hiring toolkit that includes everything we covered today. A hiring checklist, a candidate scorecard template for interviews, and that bonus AI guide to help save time and hire smarter. Download it for free using the link below and take the headache out of hiring. This free tool was brought to you by Mudflap, helping fleets run leaner, smarter, and more profitably. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tools to grow your fleet.